Have you ever looked at a family photo and noticed how much your nose looks like your grandma's, or how your smile is just like your dad's? It is truly fascinating how physical features and even some hidden characteristics seem to echo through generations. Well, the wonderful reason we often resemble our relatives is all thanks to our genes. Genes are like tiny instruction manuals inside every cell of our bodies, and they contain all the blueprints for who we are, passed down from our parents. Every single one of us has a complete set of these genetic instructions, organized into structures called chromosomes. We inherit half of our chromosomes, which is 23, from our mother, and the other half, another 23, from our father. This means we get a unique blend of traits from both sides of our family tree. Each gene is responsible for a specific characteristic, like eye color, hair texture, or even how tall you might be. Some genes are dominant, meaning if you inherit just one copy, that trait will show up. Others are recessive and requiring two copies, one from each parent, to be expressed. For example, if both your parents carry a gene for red hair, even if they do not have red hair themselves, you might end up with that fiery color because you inherited two recessive copies. This incredible shuffling and combination of genes with each new generation is what creates the beautiful variety we see in families while still maintaining that underlying family resemblances. So, how can you explore these genetic connections? A fun way is to simply observe and discuss family traits. Look at old photos together and point out shared features like an earlobe shape, a widow's peak hairline, or a distinctive laugh. You can even create a simple family tree, tracing how certain traits appear and reappear across relatives. This helps children understand that while they are unique individuals, they also carry special pieces of their family's story within their very own cells. What is especially neat is that sometimes traits can seem to skip a generation, or you might find a characteristic that shows up more strongly in one branch of the family. This is due to the complex dance of dominant and recessive genes, along with the millions of tiny variations in our DNA sequences. For instance, a genetic variant might influence how your body processes certain nutrients or contribute to a predisposition for early bird or night owl tendencies. These subtle genetic differences are what make each family member special, even while sharing a common heritage. Understanding how genes work helps us appreciate the amazing biological connections that link us to our family. It is a beautiful reminder that we are all part of a larger story, carrying forward the unique genetic legacy of those who came before us. This knowledge can deepen our bond with relatives, fostering a sense of belonging and wonder at the intricate design of life itself.